How to add some more quick action toggles, and this is for any Samsung phone that got the Android 15 One UI 7.0 update recently, and now you want to add some more toggles into the quick access. To add more quick toggles, you'll want to go ahead and pull down the quick access until you see this little edit pencil icon to the top right area. When you tap on it, you're going to see all these here show up, and for the toggles, you'll tap on where it says edit right there. Now, once you're here now, whatever is in this area here is what's already in your quick access. And if you want to remove any of them, you can just tap on the little minus for each of them, and that will remove them. Now, if you want to add something new, to the bottom, you'll see where it says available buttons. Go ahead and choose the one that you want to add, and it will appear up here. Okay, so let's just say, for example, you want to add the high contrast one right here. So when you tap on it, it's going to appear to the last available area to the bottom. Now, other than just adding them, you can also rearrange how they appear. So if this one, you wanted it to be more to the top area, just hold it down, and then you could just pull it into the area of which you want it to appear into, and then release it. Okay, and when you're done, press done, and now those toggles that you just add will be there. Make sure to press done a second time, and you should see that last one that you added. So mine was a high contrast text or fonts. It'll be there now, and that's that. Like and sub.